You know the vibes. We got Nisi on the track.
I didn't even know the camera was activated. What's happening with y'all? Y'all ready to get hype a little bit? Get hype.
It's a certified hood classic.
What's up with y'all? We're headed to Sonoma Raceway, which is right in front of us. It's not actually going to be like drifting for me today, although I'm a fool with the drifters. But I brought my Nip Mac out with me. He's going to do some drag racing, and we're going to try not to get kicked out. That car is for sure going to be able to break 10s if he really rocks it. But we'll see how he takes the drag racing, because he's never done any drag racing before. So it should be an interesting experience, and I'm just gonna coach him how to keep the car under going as fast as it's supposed to go. And it's a good time for him to learn, because you know, a lot of people are calling him out for races from a dig. He's down, but he's just never done it before, so he wants to figure it out. Best time is any, we can practice in the street.
Hey, how y'all doing, babies? How y'all doing? It's your boy, Manip Mac, man. I'm here with my guy, Lex King. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. I know a lot of y'all been on me about doing launch races, and I haven't been doing it. And that's because I don't know how to. But when I learn, you is in trouble! That phone call. I don't know if it's a nervous pee or I just had to pee, but whatever the case was.
Set your launch to 22.
Set my launch to 22.
See the green shirt down there? So just shut it down at the speedo sign, at the speed limit sign there on the right.
Really?
Yeah.
That's like what? That's like 100 yards.
Yeah, it's about 200 yards, fool.
I ain't played football in a long time.
Yeah, no, that's far.
Okay.
That's good. 660. Look, drag racing is won or lost in the first 60 feet and then the first 300 feet.
Right.
So that's what I'm saying. First, second, third, done. You'll be third by the time you hit that speedo sign.
Probably, because I was probably in fourth when I let it down.
Yeah.
Should I put it on me?
Huh?
Should I put the camera on me so they can see how I look while I'm learning? All right. So he told me to put the camera on me so you guys can see how I look when I'm learning. Glasses on. Nervous. I don't know why I should be nervous. This is fun. This is something that I really want to do for a living. Y'all ready?
Yep.
Yeah. Try this shit one more time. I know that's it. That was my last one, but I like it. I like it. Sensei said, put it on 25. I had it on 22, and it felt like it spun, but he was behind me, so he seen it. He said it was no spin. It was just barely a little bit of spin. So I'm gonna put it on 25. This is probably gonna be my last run. Put this motherfucker in drag mode. I had it in sport mode all the time. Don't tell Lex. Don't tell Lex. Don't tell Lex.
Let's set it 25?
Nope. I had it in normal mode all that time.
Boy, if you don't get...
You got it normal? Okay, go back.
Now I'm in drag mode. I'm in drag mode now.
Okay, go to 23. All right, you're in drag mode now, right?
Yep.
All right, 23, set that.
Yeah, I know. Green mistakes. Green mistakes. Here we go.
You know, might as well hit Sonoma so he can get used to having like reaction times and things like that. So we're gonna get on our way to Sonoma Raceway, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey, yo, have Yan pull the car up while you walk over there and sign in.
Have her do what?
She can pull the car up while you go over there and sign in. She's pulling that red Mustang right there.
That works for me.
Yeah, so we can move the line up. Oh, they're all away from their cars.
Make sure you pop over to Manip Mac's YouTube. It's found in the link in his bio on his Instagram, and see how the rest of that day went. And after I saw a few runs, I decided to go home. Wait, hold on. Who's playing them tunes and got them clean ass shoes? What's that mean, yo? Oh, Lord, it's these cats. They about to make me scrub, huh? Hey, man, real shit, I don't know what happened. I was chilling and I just put this wheelie up and I'm cruising it. Now, if you could look at my wrist, the wrist just got into comfortable mode. I was planning on riding a wheelie all down 37, but then, boom, I slam it. And literally, I'm checking, make sure the chain's on there. I'm giving it a couple revs, letting the clutch out, make sure I got some resistance. Chain's there, motor's fine, bike didn't die. I'm looking around like, what the hell just happened? Like, I had just barely touched the brakes, so I know I didn't like jam the brakes. I didn't know what went on, dude, but I was so puzzled. It was like, one, embarrassing. Two, I'm hurt. My hand hurt like crazy, and I just hadn't come to grips that it was going numb just yet, but blood, that was insane. I almost went over the front of the damn bike. Hey, look at the kid. I'm trying to figure it out. Like, why does my hand hurt so bad? Like, I heard a big pop in my hand, and I don't know what happened. I do feel like my thumb touched my wrist, and I'm still super confused as to what happened to my pointer and my middle finger. Those seem to have got blasted on something, but those levers give. They break away, so I'm still super confused.
To this day!
Like, look, I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with my hand. Did it hurt so bad, dude? And my instant idea for relief is I'm like, yo, let me pop my knuckles or something. Like, it was no relief. I'm trying to, like, man, I'm trying to pop something, see if it moves, see if it's broken. I don't know what's going on.
I'm baffled. I hope they quit stumping me soon.